In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add a TXT record to GoDaddy. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow steps on how to add new records, including a TXT one, to your GoDaddy domain or website. All that you have to do is sign into your account on the GoDaddy.com website, and in here go over to your products. When you visit your products, you will be able to browse through all of the domains and websites currently attributed to your GoDaddy account. All that you have to do here, I recommend, is that you go over to your domain portfolio and you will have a comprehensive list of all the domains that you have. In there, click on the specific one that you would like to manage. So go over to your domain portfolio, select the specific domain or website that you would like to manage, and under the settings, you will be able to select DNS settings. Once you choose DNS management, you will be able to find the option to add a new record under DNS. So just select this button that I've highlighted here on the DNS management page, and finally, you will be able to select the type as TXT. So as you can see, TXT records are used to verify domain ownership, SSL verification, and email sender policies. So all that you have to do now is include all of the other details. For this video, I'm not going to go over super in-depth instructions on what all of these mean. I recommend that you do your own research. For this video, I simply wanted to showcase how you can find the option to add a new TXT record. You can repeat this process as many times as you need with as many domains as you want through GoDaddy. The option is always going to be available as long as you go over to the DNS management page and you look under DNS records. So choose the option to add a new record and you will be good to go as long as the type is selected as TXT from the drop-down menu that appears. I hope I was able to help you on how to add TXT record to GoDaddy. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.